This one. Маленький, пожалуйста. Маленький, пожалуйста.
Вешить?
Ага.
Или подарок?
А?
Подарок или вешить?
Не понимаю.
Don't be deceived, it's not like nasty packet stringy cheese. This is super fresh and delish, sort of sour. The bread is squishy. Brilliant breakfast.
Loving this black and peach architecture in Gyumri. I have been sheltering from the rain for the last 36 hours, so I'm excited to start exploring Armenia now that the sun has come out.
I've been surprised that as another former Soviet country like Georgia, I've not seen any blue and yellow Ukrainian flags in Armenia. But then here at this Russian fort, I learned that Armenia still receives military support from Russia. So perhaps that's the reason.
See what this is. There's going to be no delicate way of eating this. I'm guessing it's a kind of donut, right? It's chewy and gooey and costs pennies. Wait, it's got a kind of pale, sweet, gloopy custard in it. Yes, please, Armenia. My golly, it's lovely, and even though it's not sealed, it's quite compact, so even I can ride it. But it would be nice to get back to the bitumen before the rain comes. Absolutely drenched. I wouldn't mind if I could camp at this monastery. This is what happens when I let somebody else touch my bike. So I've reattached the pannier to the rack with string, and we'll just have to see how tight that holds. They fed me and made me a bed by the radiator. So I didn't make it very far today. Rain stopped to play, but I'm warm and dry, and I'll just have to have a bigger day tomorrow to Yerevan.